back to my channel. Welcome back.
What's going on? What's going on with me?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Anyway, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and we are multicultural and we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you are one of my little doll babies. Thank you, doll. So happy that you are here. Okay, this kitty that I'm wearing right here is Renee Paris's white, and this is the color Melted Coconut. Look for the review on that. Today we have a Noriko wig, and this is Miss May, and I got Miss May in the color Razberry Ice with a Z, and you can see there is some really nice highlights in there. And I got her from wigs.com for $168.99 with 30% off. Miss May is a full cap wig. There are no combs in this wig, and there are no combs in the back. She does have the adjustable straps that are like the bra straps, so I can tighten this whilst we are talking. So I got May because I really think that May is a shorter version of Jackson, and so I'm going to do a comparison between the two once I do this review. But it says that May is a basic cap, meaning there's no lace front, there's no monofilament, no nothing like that. It's wefted. It's an average cap size. This is not heat safe, okay? And yeah, so that's what we have for May. So let's get May on, and then let's see what's going on. What's going on with May? I'm trying to do more like wig comparison videos, like sister wigs, or, you know, wig color comparisons. So you're going to see a lot more of that on me channel. I did like a poll about it, and people were really, ooh, this girl is tight. Woo, this is not a big wig cap. Just FY and I. Oh, yeah. This is not a large wig cap at all. There's some permatease on her. This is a very, very cute length. I mean, like, look at the colors in there. These wigs, I'm just saying, like, these name brand wigs, as far as like just their color combinations and their color mixes, are really good. I don't know, maybe I don't actually need to use the steamer on this one, to be honest. All right, let me play around with her for a minute, and then we'll see if I decide to use a steamer or not. Okay, so a lot of the playing around with me was just, you know how I feel about bangs. So I really like this wig. I think it's cute. I love the color. I'm excited to compare this to my Jackson because I have her in like a darker brown color, and I'd like to see what they look like next to each other. So that's gonna be really nice. I did use a little bit of this Instant Freeze hairspray by Aussie, mostly because I like the smell of it. I do think that this wig has a lot of potential. Like I said, you could take the steamer to this. I didn't because I don't think the permatease is too horrible. This is a smaller cap. I'm telling you that right now. Let's look at her
From the book.
Oh, that is so cute in the back. That is really cute in the back. Yup. Yeah, I think she is so cute. I really love this color. It's like you want to play a little bit with red, but not too much. It's, you know, got that auburny. It does got, you know, has these lighter highlights. Yeah, this is so cute. I feel like you could do, you know, a little clip back. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna clip this back. Ooh, I gotta film. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna film the intro, then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna clip it back to end it. Okay, I'm back. So let's go ahead and just do a little clip back whilst I end this video. So if you have this particular wig or any wig in this color that you would like to share, go ahead and put that down below. Is there another what do we got? Noriko wig that you would like to see a review on. Go ahead and put that down below too. I'm going to include my Noriko or my name brand wig playlist down below, and that's going to have any of the Noriko wigs that I have reviewed, along with any other name brand wig. Yeah, I'm sorry, like, look at that. That is adorable. This would be great just for, like, you know, a cute little, you know, you could even, like, this could be an everyday situation. This could be a cute little summer party, graduation thing, even like a little wedding with a little sparkly clip or something. OMG, what do you think? Yeah, I really like this wig. Okay, that's what I have for you for this video. If you like this type of video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really does help spread our channel around. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.